Hey guys, this is Limbix, and in this video I would like to give you an update on Nexus Global. So today is March the 26th, and I was able to get hold of the official Nexus Global business presentation that I would like to share with you. But before I do so, just a short disclaimer. So this is not a financial advice. I'm sharing this presentation just for information purposes. So if you want to have a professional financial advice, please go and find a licensed professional that can give you an investment advice. All right, so let's get started. So this is kind of a welcome slide, just a quote from the global board, Nexus Global Board, saying that this company has been founded for one reason: to create a stable and long-term multi-level marketing business. They will focus on a healthy company culture, so that's very top of the agenda, and this you will hear throughout the presentation. So company culture is very important to them. Yeah, in this business presentation you will find the company portfolio. We will be discussing the compensation plan, we will be discussing the bonus system, the binary system, and the career system. So let's start off with a quote from Plato. So he's basically saying, or he used to say, the beginning is the most important part of the work, and learn to listen, and you will even benefit from those who are talking nonsense. So with this quote, they kind of refer to education, and they put a lot of efforts on education, and you will notice that as we go through the presentation. So this is a quote from Christian Michel Scheibener. So he is one of the CEOs of Nexus Global. So he is saying, I see Nexus as an international company which follows a different approach regarding leadership. Those leaders who create the company culture with us together are much more important than only focusing on the turnover. So this is coming back to company culture that I was mentioning earlier. So this is the core team of Nexus Global. So Christian, he has 20 years of experience in sales, and he also has some experience with multi-level marketing, and he's also a crypto enthusiast. So the second CEO, that's Michael Tomale, a German native as well. So he has been an entrepreneur for 27 years, and he has quite some experience in education and consulting, and he's a specialist on exit strategies and ICOs and IPOs. And yeah, every serious company has to have a lawyer, and the Nexus Global lawyer is Professor Dr. Stefan Welk, as you can see here. So he was studying in Germany and England, so a very international background. And then Manuel Garcia, so he's leading all the efforts in the digital marketing space. So he's not looking at turnover, at euros and dollars. He's looking at clicks, leads, and conversion ratios. And then, of course, IT is an important building block of every online business, and this is Arndt Bieberstein. So he's leading the IT efforts, and he has created this multi wallet that we will be discussing in a few moments. So on this slide, just some basics on Bitcoin. Well, if you're a Bitcoin enthusiast, this is nothing new to you. Bitcoin was born in 2009. Based on a ASHA 256 algorithm and so on, and it reached $20,000 back in January or December, and then it got back to around 9,000. I think it's 8,000 as I speak, and there is a lot of upside potential. So there are different forecasts existing on the market. Some people say it will reach 1 million one day, and some people say it will be 50,000 still this year. So let's see. Esports. So this made some headlines recently. Esports was acknowledged as a official sports, and it will be Olympic in 2024. So and esports.com will issue an ICO, and if you're a member of Nexus Global, you'll be able to participate in this ICO. Yeah, so this is kind of a roadmap. Oh no, that's actually a guide how to start, really, in 4 steps. So this is referring to World 1. There will be 2 different market segments. One is World 1 and one is World 2. And and those worlds are determined by the purchasing power of a specific country. So wealthy countries like most of the European countries, North America, Canada, they will be part of World 1, and then all others will be World 2. But there is a list of countries attached to this presentation, which will help you figure out in which part of the world you are, basically. So if you are in World 1, you will have to buy a Kickstarter package, which is worth $500 to get your binary plan activated to be eligible for the binary bonus. And then in the second step, you can buy a mining package, and this will be activated right away, and you will receive first profits 21 days after it was activated. And you will get access to the Nexus Academy right away. So once you have activated your Kickstarter package, you will have access to all the education packages. And then step number 3, you will have access to the 8Crypt wallet. Looks like a new brand name they came up with. Why 8? Because there will be 8 different businesses, and mining is just one of them. There will be 7 what I call complementary businesses that we will discuss in a few moments. And then step number 4, so Nexus will follow a very strict KYC process. KYC is know your customer. So every investor will need to submit his ID and verify his address. So this way, Nexus makes sure that they comply with the KYC regulations. World 2, it's basically the same process, but the entry level is $50 instead of $500. And now we really talk the compensation plan, what you can really earn as a passive investor. So there will be 12 different mining packages starting with $25, and the biggest will be $50,000. So with every package you basically buy a hash rate, and your profit will really depend on the actual coin price and the hash rate, because the hash rate will vary. So what you see here on the micro starter package, the 100 gigahash, so this is the guaranteed minimum hash rate you will get. So you will get more, but you will get minimum 100 gigahash. And in order to find out what the profit will be, you can use a pretty handy calculator that you can find online. So and you will find the link to that page below the video. So you basically just enter the hash rate you are buying. You set your cost per kilowatt hour to 0, because the maintenance cost will be covered by the company, right? So and this would be your annual profit. And again, this is the minimum profit you will get, which is really guaranteed by the company. But of course you will earn more. So let's say if you earn 20% more than what you see here, that will be more than $1,000. And in order to buy 4,000 gigahash, you have to spend $1,000. So after 1 year, a bit less than a year, you will break even. So you will get your initial investment back, and then the second year you will be earning pure profit. Because every package will run for 2 years. So with the current Bitcoin price, you will break even at month 11 to 12 approximately, and then the remaining year you will get a pure profit. So yeah, those are the first 4 packages. Those are bigger packages. As you can see, for $1,000 you get 4,000 gigahash per second, and every package will be running for 24 months. And as I said earlier, your package will start mining, or the first results will be visible on your back office 21 days after the package was activated. So the biggest package for now is $50,000. Yeah, so you will get access to education depending on what package you will buy. So if you buy a silver package, you will get the silver binary option package. If you buy a high-end platinum package, you get access to platinum crypto, to the platinum crypto package. So, and those education packages will basically help you find leads, help you build your team. So it will be a fully automated funnel and marketing system that will do all the work for you. And here down below you see the URL where all this education packages will be available. All right, so yeah, I mentioned that mining is not the only business. There will be 7 additional businesses that Nexus will be offering. So the first one on the left hand side, this is live betting, and then crypto casino, Forex trading. They will also do lottery, ICOs, and I already mentioned one of the ICOs they will be offering, which is esports.com, IPOs, and they will also do crypto trading. All right, so let's discuss the binary plan. So there is a direct sales bonus of 10%. So this is based on all your direct partners' investments. So if your direct partner will buy a $1,000 package, you will get 10%, which is basically $100. So that's the direct bonus, and that's uncapped. So you can earn an unlimited amount of direct sales bonuses. But the binary bonus, this is capped at $35,000 a week, right? So, and there will be 2 different worlds, right? So world number 1, in order to be eligible for the binary system, you need to invest at least $500, and you need at least 1 person in each leg with $500 invested, right? So this will make you eligible for the binary bonus, and the binary bonus is paid based on your weaker leg. So if you find a strong sponsor, you will get a lot of spillover to your power leg, and this way you just have to develop your second weaker leg. So it really makes sense to find a very strong sponsor with lots of volumes, and yeah, that will save you a lot of time and effort. So I'll let you give an example. So if you have $5,000 in your strong leg and you have $4,000 in your weak leg, you will get a binary bonus of $400, which is 10% from 4,000. So the cutoff is every Sunday, 24 o'clock, middle, yeah, European time zone. So yeah, so every Sunday your binary bonus will be paid based on your weaker leg. So World 2 will have a slight difference. So you just need to buy $50, a $50 package, and your direct partners on your left and your right leg have to invest $50 each to activate the binary system. Matching bonus. So matching bonus is paid based on your weekly binary bonus, and it goes up to 6 generations depending on your career rank, and we will discuss career ranks in a moment. So if you're, let's say, a black diamond, you will get access to 6 levels, to 6 generations. So matching bonus, to get the matching bonus, you have to build your structure in a certain way. So if you have 10 partners in your first level, and every one of them will have another 10 partners, so this is kind of a what we call matching. So that will make you eligible for the matching bonus. Leadership ranks. Yeah, let's discuss leadership ranks. So we start with bronze. So in order to become a bronze rank, you just have to have 500 points, which is $500 at the end, in your left and your right leg. In order to become silver, you have to have $5,000 in your strong leg and $2,500 in your weak leg. Let's discuss, for example, emerald, number 5. So here you have to have $60,000 in your strong leg and $30,000 in your weak leg, but you also have to have minimum 3 ruby ranks in the stronger leg and at least one ruby rank in your weaker leg. So in order to achieve leadership ranks, it really makes sense to develop both legs. So like in this example, you have to have at least one ruby rank in your weaker leg and 3 ruby ranks in your stronger leg. So if you want to run for ranks and rank bonuses, you have to develop both legs. What comes in addition with the diamond rank is that you have to own at least one chief miner package worth $10,000. So those are the high-end ranks. If you want to become a black diamond, you have to have at least 6 triple diamond ranks in total, and you have to have 2 triple diamond ranks in your weaker leg, and you have to have 6 million in your stronger leg and 4 million in your weaker leg. But you also have to own at least one Master Chief Miner package, which is worth $25,000. So not with every, but with some of the ranks, you get a rank bonus in addition. So Ruby, I think that was rank number 4. If you achieve that one, you get a PlayStation 4 or for $400, which is approximately 80% of what the PlayStation is worth. And then if you become Emerald, you can choose between an Apple MacBook or $1,000. And then if you become a diamond, you can get a dream trip or $2,000, and double diamond, a luxury watch from Rolex, or $6,000, and then triple diamond, and that's actually a big jump, right, from 8 to 100,000. So you get this luxury boat or $100,000 in cash, and then black diamond, a Lamborghini, or $200,000, and then crown diamond, $500,000, and a diamond gold ring. Wow. Okay. Cool. Yeah. So uni level. So this is referring to those 7 complementary businesses. So mining will be based on a binary system, and the remaining actually 6 businesses will be based on a uni level bonus, which is going down to 8 levels. So those complementary businesses like crypto casino, online betting, Forex trading, crypto trading, ICO, sport betting. So this will be based on a uni-level bonus. And the first level will give you 2%, the second 1%, and so on. So level number 8 will give you 0.10%. And this bonus is not capped. Right. Yeah, the only bonus that is capped is really the binary bonus. Okay, well, mobile apps. So there will be a smartphone app coming out. Do they mention when? This summer. It says this summer. So Nexus Global will have its own app. And then just 8 reasons why Nexus is worth investing. So diversification is the key word here. So you can choose between different businesses, 7 in total. It has a hybrid plan, which has the best of two worlds, binary and unilevel. And then in the countries with lower purchasing power, you can start as low as $25. And in order to activate the binary tree, you just need to invest $50. And the advisory board of Nexus Global consists of politicians, economists, and diplomats. And then number 5, our competitors are collecting money, so they're using the investors' money to invest in hardware, but Nexus already has some capacity, so you can start mining right from the beginning because the capacity, the mining farm is already there. And then the worldwide access with only $25 for world 2 countries, and then it will have an own exchange platform. And finally, everybody can start at Nexus Global with a free package, so you can earn uncapped bonuses for the first 30 days without investing $50. So this is referring to the direct bonus, not to the binary bonus, right? So in order to get direct bonuses, you don't have to have a package of $50. Just if you want to activate your binary, you need to invest $50. Okay, well, that was it. That was the business presentation. And what we will see here is a list of countries with the indication where they belong to. Is it World 1 or World 2? And let me just randomly mention a few, just considering where my partners are from. So let's say Cambodia, yeah, World 2. Bulgaria is World 2, for example. Czech Republic is not, because it's Europe, and there is no business allowed in North Korea, as you can figure. China will be World 2 as well. Finland, France, those are European countries. They will be World 1. And let's say India. India will be World 2. Yep. Okay. Yeah, the United States, that's probably world number 1, of course, and so on. Yeah, you can figure out yourself if you just pause the presentation and look through it and see where you belong to or where your country belongs to. Well, that was it about Nexus Global. You can find all the links below the video. You can check out the website. I will also post a link to this calculator that I was showing to you. And yeah, stay tuned. There will be more info coming out shortly. The registration will be released tomorrow, 27th of March. And then we can get started. All right, have fun with Nexus Global.